Hi, it's Kristi Sullivan with Sullivan Financial Planning. I am doing this video in companion with a blog that I wrote about ice cream flavors for June of 2021, helping you all cool off a little bit. Now, I would like to share a easy recipe for my summer treat that I make at home. I do not make homemade ice cream. I think it is too much trouble. It's too risky. Everyone waits around for your homemade ice cream to be finished. It takes forever. And half the time it's super runny, doesn't taste like it's supposed to. So forget it. I just buy Bluebell. However, with the aid of my NutriBullet and about a $5 silicone popsicle mold from Bed Bath and Beyond, I think I have two of them. They make 6 popsicles each. I have become a pretty good popsicle maker. And in a twist, they're pretty healthy. So what I'll do is I just have a gallon bag, a Ziploc bag of frozen fruit going in my freezer all the time that I put basically fruit that's about to go bad, but not moldy, but just kind of on the way out in my freezer bag. So there's strawberries and blueberries and pineapple cores and uh, banana pieces and all sorts of random stuff in there, raspberries, and it's just in a bag. And I'll put those in with my NutriBullet with either some coconut milk if I want it to be sort of tropical flavored, or almond milk, something creamy. You could do vanilla ice cream, your choice, or you could even do orange juice if you want something really tart. And you want to have enough liquid in there to cover your frozen stuff. Otherwise, the NutriBullet gets all gummy. But basically make a smoothie is what you're doing. You pour your smoothie into your popsicle molds, freeze them, and there you go. They're delicious. They taste just like store-bought popsicles, only none of the sugar, and handy, and you can make it out of stuff that you have at home. So I hope you try it. I hope it's fun and delicious. You can kind of trick your kids into eating more fruit and have a very, very happy summer.